السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Grade 5. Good morning, everyone. Today, our lesson, according to the plan for week 13, is lesson number 3, classify triangles. Yesterday, we studied polygons, okay? And today, we classify triangles, okay? Okay. I have a question before we start the lesson. How many sides for triangle? How many sides are there for each triangle? How many sides for triangle?
Why?
How many sides for triangle? Triangle has how many sides?
Three.
Yes. Okay. I have 3 sides for triangle. So triangle is a polygon or not polygon?
Not polygon.
I have two answers. Someone said polygon, other one said not polygon. Polygon means the shape has straight sides and a closed shape. This is a closed shape with straight sides. It's called a polygon. So triangle is a polygon, right? Has how many sides? 3 sides. Okay. And there are how many angles? How many angles? As you see, how many angles? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. And then before we start listen again, who can tell me what the types of the angles? Types of angles. Types of angles. Okay. Types of angles. Okay. Yes.
Straight angle.
Yeah.
An angle that like a sharp angle.
Yes. Okay.
Other one.
Okay. For triangles, okay, has 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, the sides sometimes come in different length. They become in the same length, right? And the angles also come in different measure. They become in the same measure. They become in and the different type of angles. We have 3 types of angles common inside the triangle. Okay, okay. Let's watch this. Just wait for a minute. The types of angles, as you see here, it will help you to understand the lesson.
Identify angles. An angle is formed by 2 rays with a common endpoint. The point where the 2 rays meet is called a vertex. The plural form of vertex is vertices. The unit used to measure an angle is called a degree. A circle contains 360 degrees. So, a full turn on a circle is 360 degrees. When a turn on a circle is less than full, the angle formed is less than 360 degrees. Angles can be identified according to whether they measure 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, or greater than 90 degrees. This is a right angle. A right angle measures 90 degrees. This symbol means right angle. This is an acute angle. An acute angle measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees.
Okay, as you see now the types of the angles. Only these angles common in the triangle. There are other types of angles still like straight angle like this, okay? But in triangle only common like these triangle, these angles. Maybe common right angle, acute, obtuse angle. Okay, but to classify triangle according to angles, you should know the types of angles, as you see, right, acute, and obtuse. Only this common in triangle. Okay, straight angle not common in triangle. Be careful about this. Only three types
Teacher,
common inside triangle. Yes.
but these three can also come in quad.
Yeah, in the other. I'm asking. I'm saying about what only in triangle. Okay, it's in the quadrilateral and the other polygons may be coming more than like this and greater than this. Okay, okay. Here, classify triangle. Classify triangles. There is many types or two types to classify triangles. Classify triangles by sides and by angles. Okay, by sides, as you see here, the all sides I have two sides are equally length and one is different. I have two sides congruent. Congruent means equal or the same side of length. Two sides are equal. Okay, and here second one, all the sides the same. All sides congruent. Okay, the third one, that no one congruent. All different. 3, 2, 4. Like this fall. The first one, two sides are congruent. This type of triangle called isosceles. Isosceles. Okay. Second one, all sides congruent or means the same side called equilateral. Equilateral. The third one, the sides are different. Okay. They called scalene. Scalene. Okay. I will let you with this video to give more idea about this classifying triangles is useful.
Hi, welcome to Math Antics. In this geometry lesson, we're going to learn all about triangles. You may remember from the lesson about polygons that triangles are special polygons that always have three sides and three angles. And that's what the word triangle means. Tri means three, and angles means angles. Okay, that's easy enough. Three sides, three angles. But what else is there to know about triangles? Well, for starters, we're going to learn how to classify triangles. Ooh, such a classy triangle. But seriously, there's two different ways to classify or organize triangles. They can be classified by their sides, and they can be classified by their angles. Let's start by classifying triangles by their angles, since we've already learned a lot about angles in the previous videos. You may remember from our first video about angles that there's three types of angles. There's right angles, acute angles, and obtuse angles. Well, watch what happens if we use a third line in each of these angles to form closed shapes. Aha! Triangles. And can you guess what these three different kinds of triangles are called?
Okay.
Yep. The one.
Guys, as you see, it was here acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. If we put third line to close the shape, it will be triangle. So, for
Mister,
acute angle means that I will have acute triangle. Yes, Fauzan?
this is not polygon, صح?
No, it's a polygon. Triangle is a polygon. I've
Okay.
seen one polygon, Fauzan, closed shape, straight sides. It's a closed, straight sides. Triangle is the least one. Okay, the polygon has three sides. The polygon has at least three sides. Maybe coming four, three sides for triangle. More than three sides, four sides, five sides. Okay. Okay. Here, before starting, give you the three types of the angles. Okay, like this acute, right, and obtuse. If you put third side here to close the angle, it will be what? It will form a triangle. As we see here, now I have triangles. So acute angle form acute triangle. Right angle, it can form right triangle. Obtuse angle, it can form what? Obtuse triangle, as you see.
These three different kinds of triangles are called? Yep. The one made from the right angle is called a right triangle. The one made from the acute angle is called an acute triangle. and the one made from the obtuse angle is called an obtuse triangle. So that's simple enough. But notice that for each of our three triangles, the new angles that were formed when we closed the shapes are all acute angles. So triangles always have at least two acute angles.
Be careful about this. Be careful about this. Any triangle has at least how many acute angles?
Two.
Two, at least. See, here I have all angles. Here I have one right and two acutes. Here I have one obtuse and two acutes. So for any triangle, at least there are two acute angles. Okay, be careful. Two acute with obtuse, two acute with right. All of them, it will be acute angles. Okay, be careful about this. At least two acute angles inside any triangle. Okay. Now we have a types of triangle by angles. Acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Acute triangle, all angles to be acute, less than 90. Okay, right triangle has only one right angle, square corner like this, and the other angles are acute. Obtuse triangle means I have one angle is greater than 90 obtuse angle, and the other angles are acute. Okay? Okay.
And it's the other angle that determines what type it is. That's important to know so you don't get tricked. For any given triangle, just because you see one acute angle, that doesn't mean it's an acute triangle. You have to look at all the angles to tell if it's an acute triangle. The situation's easier with right and obtuse triangles because you can only have one right or obtuse angle per triangle. So as soon as you spot one of those kinds of angles, you know what type of triangle you have. All right then, classifying triangles by angles is pretty simple, but we can also classify triangles by their sides. If we pay close attention to the length of each side of a triangle, we can see that there's three possibilities. First of all, if all three sides of a triangle are exactly the same length, then we call it an equilateral triangle. It's kind of a long word, but it's easy to remember because it sounds like it has the word equal in it. To see the second possibility, let's take the top vertice of our equilateral triangle and move it up like this. See what happened? Two of the triangle sides got stretched by the same amount, but the bottom side remained the same. Now we have a triangle that has only two equal sides, and that's called an isosceles triangle. That's a long word too. The best way to remember that is to look at an isosceles triangle and say its name 20 times as fast as you can. And finally, to see the third possibility, let's move that same top vertice again, but this time to the left. Now, all the sides are different lengths. This type of triangle is called a scalene triangle. So those are the three possibilities when classifying triangles by their sides. Equilateral triangles have three equal sides. Isosceles triangles have only two equal sides. And scalene triangles have no equal sides.
Okay, as you see here, the equilateral, isosceles, scalene triangles by sides. Okay, equilateral, all sides are equal. Isosceles, two equal sides, and scalene, no equal sides. Okay, now I have all information about classifying triangle by sides and by angles. By sides, as you see, isosceles, equilateral, and scalene. Okay, and by angles, as we see here, also on the next page, page 917, I can find or classify triangle by angles by using this acute, right, and obtuse triangle. Okay, okay. Here, acute has three acute angles, right has one right and two acutes, and obtuse has one obtuse and two acute angles. Okay, is it clear for everyone? I can go for practice. Guys, here now. Okay. Now go for the guide practice. Here I have number one. Okay. Classify the triangle based on its side. Okay. Here I have unequal sides here. How many sides of the triangle are congruent? Congruent means equal sides. Now, how many sides I have equals? Anyone can answer in page 916. Practice number 1. Classify the triangle on sides. I have here this triangle with the sides length 4, 2 centimeters. How many sides of the triangle are congruent? How many sides are congruent? Congruent means equal. Length means the same side. Okay, someone raised his hand. Yes, Sultan.
How many sides of the triangle are congruent? It's 2.
Yeah, there are 2. There are 2 sides are congruent. Okay, so if I have 2 sides are congruent, it will be what? What kind of triangle? What type of triangle will be? Triangle has 2 sides. It will be what? Well, its name. Come back to the page 915 to see the type of the triangle has 2 sides equal. Called what? Okay, Amir, can you answer it?
Yes.
Amir?
Yes, wait.
Okay. What's the page?
Mister, can I answer?
Just give him a chance, please. Triangle with 2 sides equal. Back to the page 915 to see the side. Okay, I will back with you.
Teacher, I know.
Okay. In Amir. 2 sides are congruent. Will be what?
Yes. Also,
Isosceles. Isosceles. Isosceles.
Isosceles
Isosceles. Okay, isosceles.
triangle.
Triangle has 2 sides. So here the answer will be what? Isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay. Number 2. Classify the triangle and its angles. Here I have the angles are what? All angles accurate or accurate with right or accurate with obtuse. Here I have.
Mister, can I say?
Okay. Someone says yes, you can.
And 3 and 2 down.
What? Number 2. Classify the triangle
Right.
based on its angles. I have the angles are what? Here, which type of the angle? This angle, acute, right, or obtuse? This angle is what? Small angle would be what? Acute, right? Here, the second one is what? Acute or right? Which type of angle this one was in? Guys, which type of angle this? I have 3 types. Acute, small corner like this.
Accurate, teacher. Accurate.
And the right, which has square corner, and obtuse, wide angle, greater than 90. I have all of these angles. Looks like what? Right, acute, or obtuse. I have this acute, acute, acute. The all angles are acute, so the triangle will be acute triangle. Okay, as you see here. Here, the first one, number 1, is 2 sides are congruent, so it will be isosceles triangle. The second one, all angles are acute, so the angle, the triangle, it will be an acute triangle. Okay, is it clear?
Teacher,
Yeah.
how many sides of the triangle are concurrent? We write the number or we write the 2 centimeters like 2.
No, just how many equal? How many congruent means how many sides are equal. How many sides I have? 2 sides.
2.
Okay, yeah, 2 sides means isosceles triangle. All
Mr.
sides.
1 minute. Don't.
Okay, move. Okay.
No.
Okay, take your time. Okay, you ready for next page?
No, wait, teacher.
Okay.
I finished.
All done?
No.
Okay, the next page, I have min practice, page number 917. The question is, the first one, determine the number of congruent sides, write the number of congruent sides for each triangle, then classify the triangle based on its sides. Based in what? Its sides. So, I have to write how many sides are congruent and write the type of triangle. So, the first one, number 3, there are any sides are congruent. I have 2.9 centimeter, 1.3, 2.5 centimeter. They are different, right?
Yes.
So, how many sides are congruent? How many sides are equal? There is no sides equal. So I will write here 0. There are 0. So if the triangle has no sides equal, it will be what? Scalene triangle.
Scale.
Yeah.
Scale.
Scalene triangle. So the answer will be 0, number of congruent sides, and the type of triangle based on its side will be scalene triangle. Okay. Number 4. How many sides are congruent? Someone maybe like chatting. Okay, who's this? Okay, Mshari, yes, right answer. So,
Teacher, I'm reading my hand.
Mr. Me.
okay. Hamad is another Hamad.
This is shape with have
Yeah, back.
two sides are the same. The name for this shape is
Is what?
I'll say the shape.
This triangle, yeah. This is what? How many sides are congruent?
Two sides.
Yeah, like this called what? Two sides. Yes, isosceles, yes, isosceles triangle. Yes, so right here, there are two sides are congruent, and I will write the name of the type triangle to be isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, okay? Is it clear? Okay. Okay, next one. Classify each triangle. Have you done with this? Class, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Be careful. This is common in the SPS. Okay. Electronic homework. It's common in the homework. Like this. Just write the number of congruent and write the type. Here I have 0, write scalene. Second one, I have 2 congruent sides to be isosceles. Okay. Okay. Next one. Classify.
Teacher, it will come the same number or different?
Everything the same. Okay.
Teacher, can you at the end show us the the acute angle and like that,
Okay. Okay. So.
and the scale in the isosceles?
Okay. Scaling. Okay. Someone. Amir. Isosceles 2. Isosceles. Okay. Amir. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Here, next one, I have classify each triangle based on its angles. I have three types according or based on the angles: acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. Acute triangle, all its angles are acute. Okay, right triangle has one right angle. Obtuse triangle has one obtuse triangle. Okay. Okay. Amir, you answer it. Someone sent to me the answer by chatting.
Sir.
Someone read acute. You mean number 5 and number 6?
Mister,
Yeah.
I will answer. I will send to you a message.
Okay.
Is right or no?
Okay. Chatting with me. Okay. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna send you.
Okay. Okay.
Mister is right.
1,000. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Talking about what? Which one? 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. It was about what? The first one?
Teacher, I am. Teacher, am I right?
Okay, Amir. Isosceles to isosceles. Acute. You mean number 5 and number 6?
Yes.
Sorry, Amir. Number 5 not acute. 6 right. 6 is right, but number 5 not. Saud equal size.
Mister, I will.
Yeah,
will-
are all equal.
Okay, this one for which one, Saud? That you right.
Number
Equal
6.
size. Number 6 classify by its angles, not by
How?
side.
Not by
By-
sides because.
By sides. I see this by angles. By
Okay.
angles, I have three types. Acute, of the all angles are acute.
Teacher.
Right, if one of the angles are right.
Teacher, but
Right, sorry. Obtuse, if one of its angle is what? Obtuse. Yes, for them.
so number 5 is acute, I think.
Okay, number 5. Okay, you can make like this.
Mister,
Yes,
Teacher,
I
number
will-
6 is.
just wait. Number 5, you can make a curve or arc in this. I have this angle. Looks like what? Acute, small angle. And this is also acute.
Mister,
Yes, for them.
I write in the chat the answer. Is right or no?
Oh, excellent, Mishari. Mishari answered number 5, obtuse. You're right. Because then isosceles this type by angles for them, please. Not by sides, by angles. Read the question well. Classify each triangle based on its angles. I have three types by using its angles. Acute, right, or obtuse. Okay, according to the angles. I have here number 5, this acute angle, small corner, and it's also acute, and this wide angle, obtuse. So this one will be obtuse. Number 5, it will be obtuse. All right, obtuse. Okay, is it clear? Number 6,
Teacher,
yes.
but the top one is like straight.
Which one?
Right. The
Which
top
one?
one, the top angle.
Top angle is obtuse. No, not coming
Yes.
straight. It's obtuse. This obtuse angle, wide angle, greater than 90. How I know? It's wide, greater than 90. Not straight, not common straight angles, Amir. Okay, never common straight angle inside triangle. Only three types: acute, right, and obtuse. At least two acute, and the other one may be right or obtuse, or all of them be acute. Okay. And next one in number 6, you can make arc inside each angle to classify the angles. Here I have a small corner to be acute. Number 6, small corner. Okay, here I have also small corner. So all angles are acute. So the type of this triangle, it will be what? Acute triangle. Acute triangle. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
the next one is right.
Next one. Yeah, number 6. Yeah, you're right. I told you number 5 is not right, but number 6 is it's right. Okay, who can answer number 7? I think it's easy.
Acute.
I mean number 7, teacher.
Number 7. What the answer?
It's right.
Yeah, it's right. Yes, it's right.
Triangle.
Yeah, right. Because I have right angle. As you see, square corner means right angle. Okay, so the answer for number 7, it will be right triangle. Right triangle.
Teacher, when the points come down in the center, it's a right triangle.
I have square corner as Saud. I have here square corner. It means right angle. So this one to be right triangle. Okay?
Oh.
Okay, good. The last one, number 8. I have to make a corner or arc inside each angle to classify it. I have here small corner. Means
Number
what?
8 is also acute, teacher.
Number 8, yes, Ahmed, you are right. Yes, Ahmed, excellent. Okay, here I have small corner to be acute angle. Also here I have acute angle. The third one also acute angle. So
it's
all
acute
angles,
angle.
yeah, it will be acute triangle. So the answer here, the type of triangle according or based to its side, it will be acute triangle. Okay, is it clear for all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now I have types of triangle based on its sides and its angles. By its sides, there are how many types? There are 3 types. What? Who can tell me?
On its sides or the angles?
By sides.
By sides, there are the Isosceles Triangle and the Equilateral Triangle and the Scalene Triangle.
Scalene Triangle. Okay. Isosceles, if 2 sides are equal. Equilateral means all sides are equal length. Scalene Triangle means no sides are equal, all different. Okay. Okay. Another one.
Okay.
Who can tell me the types of triangle based on its angles? By angles. Types of triangle by angles. Who can tell me? I need another one.
Me.
Yes, sir.
Obtuse.
Obtuse, okay.
And acute.
Yeah.
And isosceles.
No. You are going up for the sides. Angles.
And right triangle.
Yes. Right triangle has only one angle is right. Accurate. All angles are accurate. Obtuse, there are only one angle is obtuse. Okay. So, okay, 3 types by using its angles. Okay. Is it clear for all?
Yeah.
Okay. Any triangle has at least how many acute angles?
2.
Yes, excellent. So there are at least 2. See here, I have one right and the other one acute. Here I have one obtuse and the other one should be acute. Here all of them are acute. Okay. The isosceles triangle has how many sides are congruent? The isosceles triangle, how many sides congruent? Huh?
Can I answer?
Yes.
It's like 2 only.
Yes, 2 sides. Isosceles triangle has 2 sides are congruent. Okay. Equilateral triangle has how many sides congruent? Equilateral, yes. Scalene triangle has how many sides congruent?
0.
Yes, excellent. Yes, 0. Right. Okay. Our lesson is already finished. I think it's easy lesson.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You please log in your SPS and solve your electronic homework. Okay. So if someone only I think 6 or 7 studies they are solved, please still have a time until after tomorrow to finish all electronic homework. Okay, please.
I
Right.
solved the homework.
Okay. Thank you. So someone's sent by the worksheets already. We have it in the school website. Okay, the worksheets. Okay, Amir sent to me yesterday the answers. Thank you, Amir. And you can have more practice or more problems to be sure about your lesson. Okay, we are finished now. Anyone has a question for this lesson?
No.
Okay, thank you and goodbye.